front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use as floating window, in my case browser. Now open it in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, click on this square button. Now tap on this icon at the top right corner of your app. And as you can see, after that I can use my browser in pop-up view. If you want to move your window around, you can do that by holding this blue line and dragging it. If you want to turn it into a bubble, click on this icon with a line at the top left corner, or select Home button and swipe it to the side. To access it, click on the bubble, then on this tiny window. You can always use this app, overlay the other one, by opening the other one and operating in both. If you wish to use it in full screen view, click on the top left corner. If you wish to close it instead, click on the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!